Hi, my name is Selena Garcia. I've been studying in the Professional Photography program here at Red Rocks for the past 4 semesters. I've definitely learned a lot during my time here. This program is diverse and exposes you to many forms of photography that I didn't even know existed. When I first started here, I knew I liked photography but wasn't quite sure on what direction to take, and the past couple semesters especially have helped me narrow down my goals. The first 2 semesters really give you the background you need to succeed in terms of technical knowledge with cameras, lights, lenses, and post-production applications. When I first started, I didn't even realize that I was making destructive edits to all of my images, and being here taught me how to better edit them, as well as preserving the files in case I need to change them later. While at times this program can feel all over the place, all the classes will help you strengthen your skills and assist you in other areas. For example, what you learn in the architecture class can help you make stronger portraits. If your composition has architectural elements in it, you can use those to your advantage to make a more impactful image, even if it's not the main focus. The instructors in this program have been extremely helpful. Having them be actively working in the fields that they are teaching about helps us get a sense that not only is it possible to get where you want to be, but you also get a sense of what it's like for them. They'll share stories of jobs they've worked and give examples of different situations that you might come across working in their fields. For me, the most eye-opening class was commercial studio lighting. I had never put thought into the idea of product photography, but it has to come from somewhere, right? During that class, I had found that I loved being able to control the lights and the subject and be able to create something out of nothing. We were encouraged to get everything right in camera without the help of Photoshop or Lightroom to make edits, and that definitely made me feel a lot more accomplished by the end of each class. It had also put into perspective just how detail-oriented and patient you have to be during these shoots, because some can be a lot more difficult than you anticipated, and one mistake could lead to extra work in post that you could have solved in 30 seconds if you had noticed it in studio. This semester I decided to get an internship to fill the elective credit requirements, as well as gain more knowledge and experience in the field I want to pursue. It has been one of the best experiences, and I've loved being able to see how product shoots go for actual clients and seeing a lot of the behind the scenes and slower days where focus is editing or invoicing, where things might not be as exciting as on a shoot day. It's definitely helped me be more confident in the fact that this is what I want to do and that I'm capable of doing it. The portfolio that I'm showing today has been almost entirely built this semester. The focus is on product photography, which I have come to very much enjoy. Photos included in here have been from strictly portfolio work, as well as work made in classes that I've taken the past couple years. In this I have 1 photo from commercial studio lighting, 4 from new media storytelling, and 2 from the internship that I've been in this semester. The rest I've worked on outside of class in the studio space here at Red Rocks. My goal with this portfolio is to demonstrate my ability to light various subjects with different surfaces as well as different compositions while keeping the product as the main focus. After graduation, I plan to be assisting for a little while, as there is still a lot that I can learn. It will also give me time to continue to build my collection of equipment to allow me to successfully operate my own business focusing on commercial product photography. Once I feel I'm ready, I will use the assets and knowledge I have from the business and portfolio classes to market my services, build a clientele, and be running my own business.